Alexander Elder. The goal of a successful trader is to make the best trades. Money is secondary. You're diving into the world of trading, eager to make a profit and see those numbers grow in your account. It's a common goal, right? But here's the thing, being a successful trader isn't just about making money. Sure, profits are important. They're what keep us in the game and allow us to grow our accounts. But what really sets apart the truly successful traders from the rest is their focus on making the best trades possible. Think about it like this. Imagine you're a chef in a kitchen. Sure, you could throw together any old dish and call it a day. But if you want to be known as a master chef, you're going to put time and effort into crafting the perfect meal, right? Trading is kind of the same. It's about quality over quantity. So, when I hear this quote, what it's really saying to me is that the goal of a successful trader isn't just to make money. It's to make smart, well thought out trades that have a high probability of success. Because at the end of the day, it's those quality trades that will ultimately lead to long-term success in the markets. Linda Raschke. Trade what you see, not what you think. You're staring at your trading screen, and you've got all these thoughts racing through your head about what you think the market is going to do next. It's easy to get caught up in your own predictions and theories, right? But here's the thing, the market doesn't care about what you think. Instead, it's all about focusing on what you actually see happening in front of you. The price action, the patterns, the trends, that's the real meat and potatoes of trading. Because no matter how smart or experienced you are, you can't outsmart the market. There have been times when I've been so convinced that I knew where the market was headed, only to have it completely prove me wrong. But when I started focusing on trading what I saw, rather than what I thought, things started to click. So, when I hear this quote, it's like a reminder to stay grounded and objective in my trading. It's about letting go of my ego and being willing to adapt to whatever the market throws my way. And let me tell you, embracing that mindset has made a world of difference in my trading journey. Jesse Livermore. Plan your trade, trade your plan. When it comes to trading, I've found that one simple phrase has made all the difference for me. Plan your trade, trade your plan. It's become sort of a mantra for my approach to the markets. Let me break it down for you. Imagine we're sitting across from each other, just having a casual chat about trading. I'd lean in and say, look, trading isn't just about jumping into the market whenever you feel like it. It's about having a clear plan of action before you even think about making a move. So, what does that mean? Well, before I even consider opening a trade, I take the time to plan out every little detail. I decide exactly where I'll enter the market, where I'll set my stop loss, and where I'll take my profits. It's like mapping out a journey before you hit the road. You wouldn't just start driving without knowing where you're going, right? But here's the thing, having a plan is only half the battle. The real challenge is sticking to it, especially when the market starts throwing curveballs your way. That's where discipline comes in. It's about staying true to your plan, even when things get tough, and resisting the urge to deviate from your strategy. So, when I say plan your trade, trade your plan, what I'm really saying is this: take the time to map out your trades carefully, and then have the discipline to follow through. It's a simple concept, but it's one that's made a world of difference in my trading journey, and I'm confident it can do the same for you. Ed Seykota. Cut your losses quickly, without hesitation. Listen, when it comes to trading, it's not always smooth sailing. There are going to be times when a trade just doesn't go your way. And when that happens, the most important thing you can do is cut your losses, and do it fast. Think of it like this. Imagine you're holding on to a hot potato. You wouldn't just sit there and let it burn your hand, right? You drop it immediately. Well, trading is kind of the same. If a trade starts going south, you've got to get out before it does any more damage. I know it's easier said than done. When you see your hard-earned money slipping away, it's natural to want to hang on and hope for a turnaround. But here's the thing, hope isn't a strategy. The longer you hold onto a losing trade, the more damage it can do to your account. That's why it's so important to cut your losses quickly, without hesitation. It's about protecting your capital and living to trade another day. But once you make it a habit to cut your losses fast, you'll be amazed at how much it can improve your trading performance. Victor Sperandio. The key to trading success is emotional discipline. If intelligence were the key, there would be a lot more people making money trading. Look, trading isn't just about crunching numbers or analyzing charts. It's about managing your emotions, too. I've learned it the hard way that emotional discipline is the real key to success in trading. Think about it. The markets are like a roller coaster, full of ups and downs. And if you let your emotions get the best of you, it's easy to get swept away in the excitement or paralyzed by fear. But successful traders, they're the ones who can keep a cool head, even when things get crazy. I mean, sure, intelligence plays a role in trading. But here's the thing, there are plenty of smart people out there who struggle to make money in the markets. Why? Because they let their emotions cloud their judgment. That's why emotional discipline is so crucial. It's about sticking to your trading plan, even when your gut is telling you to do something else. It's about staying patient, even when you're itching to jump into a trade. And it's about keeping your emotions in check, even when the market throws you a curveball. Trust me, I've been there. I've let my emotions get the best of me more times than I can count. But the more I focus on mastering my emotions, the more successful I've become as a trader. So, if there's one piece of advice I can give you, it's this: work on your emotional discipline. It might just be the most important skill you develop as a trader. Ed Seykota. The trend is your friend until it bends. The market is like a river, constantly flowing in one direction or another. And when you're trading, it's like trying to ride that river. You want to go with the flow, not against it. That's where the idea of the trend is your friend comes in. When a market is trending, it's like that river flowing steadily in one direction. And as traders, we want to hop on board and ride that trend for as long as we can. That's where the money is made. But here's the thing, just like a river can change course, so can the market. And when that trend starts to bend, it's like a warning sign that things might be about to change. That's when we need to be extra cautious. So, the trend is your friend until it bends is a reminder to stay vigilant. Sure, riding a trend can be profitable, but we need to keep an eye out for signs that it might be coming to an end. Because if we're not careful, we could end up getting swept away in the wrong direction. It's all about balance, knowing when to go with the flow and when to step back and reassess. And if there's one thing I've learned in my time trading, it's that respecting the trend and knowing when it's time to say goodbye can make all the difference. Jack Schwager. Amateurs want to be right. Professionals want to make money. Okay, you're in a trade, and suddenly, the market starts moving against you. What's your first instinct? If you're like most beginners, you might hold on to that trade, hoping and praying that the market will turn around and prove you right. After all, nobody likes being wrong, right? But here's the thing, trading isn't about being right or wrong. It's about making money. And that's where the professionals shine. Instead of stubbornly clinging to their opinions, they're quick to cut their losses and move on to the next opportunity. Because at the end of the day, it's not about being right. It's about making profitable trades. When I first started trading, I was so focused on being right that I let my ego get in the way of my success. But as I gained more experience, I realized that the most successful traders aren't the ones who are always right. They're the ones who are disciplined, objective, and focused on the bottom line. So, if there's one thing I want you to take away from this, it's this: don't get caught up in trying to prove yourself right. Instead, focus on making smart, profitable trades. Because in the end, that's what separates the amateurs from the professionals. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, This video has provided you with some valuable insights and knowledge to arm you in the world of trading industry.